The crepe is so good and it's very nice cook inside.
Mm. You like it?
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Kumusta po kayong lahat diyan? Sana lahat tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So ngayon, katatapos ko lang nagluto at naligo din. Nagluto ako ng, ay oo nga pala, special shout out kay Ate Sol, sa lahat ng mga OFW at sa akin na Ate Chinorian, Ingo Lavinia, si Jing Obar, shout out sa inyo, si Nida Pido, shout out, at sa mga friends na sumusuporta sa YouTube channel ko. Hello, hello sa inyong lahat. As yan. So today, nagluto ako ng pangalan nito, spring rolls, veggies spring rolls. At saka gumamit din ako ng wrapper, homemade wrapper din ang ginawa ko. So ayan, kung gusto nyo, baka gusto nyo lutuin to, hindi naman mahirap gawin, very easy and very nutritious. Kaya gusto kong ibahagi para kung sino man ang, alam ko kasi ano to lagi tong nakikita sa street food sa atin. Pero yung mga yung lumpiang Shanghai, ito naman ginawa ko is vegetable, in-improvise ko lang yung kung anong meron sa aming ref. So ayan, panoorin natin to. It's coming up! Okay. We start cooking. As usual, I used olive oil. First, the onion. Skip. Garlic. It. We silk it for 2 to 3 minutes. And now our chorizo. If you don't have chorizo, you can add also a minced pork or other alternatives like ham, like that. We'll add our cabbage. And our zucchini. Look at this. Uh-oh. Cover it. Now we add our spinach. It. We will add ground pepper. We will add salt, just little, and we will add more cubes, vegetable cubes more. This is it. One, just like that. Okay. This is our ingredients for our homemade wrapper or crepe. This is flour, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoon of flour, 6, and then 2 spoon of maizena, cornstarch. That's it. Cornstarch. And we put milk. That's it. Salt, teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of water. You can add additional more later. We mix it. That's it. We add 2 eggs. That's it. Now we will whip it to become all cream and nicely, not so much watery and not so much creamy. Okay. Here you can add water all, not milk. Optional the milk. You can use pure water. Cook our wrapper, our crepe. So nicely. We need to move it to make it flat and no bubbles. Okay, that's it. And now we will turn it. Okay, look, it's so nice. This is our homemade crepe or homemade wrapper for the spring rolls. So it's ready to get. Look at it. Okay, this is it. Now for the next. Look at that. So this is our wrapper. Can be used as a crepe or a spring roll wrapper. So we will start wrapping. That's it. I use water here, not egg. Other use egg, but me water. Bale. Okay, we will wrap our vegetable. That's it. That's it. Chanan, look. Chanan, chanan, chanan. Uno, one down. Okay. This is our cabbage, our zucchini, our, what are the other I put here? Chorizo. That's it. This is our homemade spring rolls. And it's more nice if you make the wrapper rather than to buy the one that is ready-made. Okay. You see. You can use this also as a crepe. Yan. So this is it. Yummy, this one, and we will fry it later. Okay, we will fry it like that. That's it. This is it. Look at it, look. Okay. Okay. Okay, you see, oh my God. So, ito na ang ating spring rolls. Veggies spring rolls. Yan. Homemade spring rolls. It's good? It's nice? Let me see there.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. You like it?